to Hobby Farm Homestead. Today we are up here at the pig barn. I just wanted to show you a couple things here. Just an update on Porky. She's doing pretty good. Probably gonna get her out today, later today, and give her a bath. And then I ended up getting an automatic feeder for these two pigs, so hopefully they don't beat it up too bad. But the way this works is those little flaps down there, they just tip up with their nose and what they want. So hopefully they won't hurt themselves or anything on it, but they should. See how they are eating it right now. Gotta check in here, see. Plenty of food left. Okay guys, here's the upper garden. Like I said, it's in bad shape. We got a lot of weeds, especially around here. I got to get some 7 dust because I got some animals that are tearing my cabbage up. But a lot of these weeds are on the edge. Really, don't worry about those. I'll get that with the tiller, you know, the open stuff, just around the plants, and then I'll till everything up. You know what I mean? But she's gonna take care of this one. We're gonna go out back and check that one out back. I'll take the little tiller back here and just hit it real quick, and then I'll take the big tiller back here and take care of some things. But let's head back here. Well guys, this is how bad it is. You can't even see the beans. They're in here somewhere. There's one bean plant. So I'll take that small tiller and see what I can do. Hopefully I don't damage too much, and then on the outside I'll bring the big tiller out. So let's see what we can do here. Alright guys, here's the beans. I got pretty well weeded. There's a few little weeds here and there, but I am going to, maybe later tonight, because it's about 92 degrees out right now, and I want to go up and till up the upper garden. But I got to till all this up, and I'm going to put some more corn and beans here. Then all that over there's got to be tilled up. But I got most of the weeds out. I mean, compared to what it was, this garden here is, the corn come up kind of spotty, but I'm okay with it. You know, I'm not really watering back here. I'm kind of letting nature take care of things. Obviously, if I see it getting bad, I'll bring some water back. But, you know, you can see the barn way up there. I'm about 800 feet away from any kind of water source other than the creek right here. And I don't have anything made up right now to get water out of the creek. So, all right, well, let's go up and get that other garden taken care of. All right. Okay, my daughter did all the pepper plants, so I just have to run the tiller around the edge. So that's I hate about fences is, like, it's hard to keep the weeds down on the fence without spraying them. I'm really not comfortable with spraying it ground up now, being that my plants are, you know, pretty established. But what we're going to do right now is work on these tomato plants. I'm going to get some of these staked up. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 that I got to get staked up, and then I'll run the tiller through here. Now as far as this here, I'll get as much as I can around this cabbage. I'm not sure about this cabbage, the way it's forming. It must be a different cabbage than what I thought it was going to be. But I mean, it's still growing. I definitely have to put some 7 dust on it. But my broccoli is coming up. It's actually probably time to cut them. Almost time to harvest the broccoli, so because I don't want it to flower too much. So I'll go ahead and get that cut out. And then I definitely got to get some 7 dust. If you look at that, it's just whatever these bugs are, they're just tearing it up. So definitely get some 7 dust on all this stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and get these staked up, get the weeds pulled out of here, and then I'll do the little garden, and that's about it. And I'll put the sprinkler on the garden tonight when the sun goes down, get everything drenched, because I don't think we're supposed to have rain here the next few days. So let's go ahead and take care of the tomato plants. Got most of my tomatoes staked or caged. There's 3 plants down there. I just don't have enough stakes for right now. They're just the baby cherry ones. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this cabbage weeded so I can get it covered with some 7 dust. As far as the broccoli goes, I think I'm gonna go ahead and harvest it because I don't want these heads flowering out, and it looks like they're pretty close to doing that. So we'll go ahead and harvest the broccoli and get that pulled out of there, and maybe we'll put some beans or something in there to replace it. I don't know about this cabbage, so it's like an early bird harvest cabbage, but it's not really forming a real good head. So I'll give it some more time and we'll check it out. But let's go ahead and get this all weeded out and get the broccoli harvested. Okay, main garden is done. All the pepper plants are weeded. I tilled up around them until I hit this rock, piece of concrete. It's kind of jammed in there. I gotta get that undone. I only have this row left to do, but it's okay. Got 5 tomato plants that aren't staked. 2 back there, and then there's 3 over there. Everything else is staked. They look bad now, but once they readjust and I get them watered tonight, they'll turn green as heck. This is all weeded out. Now I can put the 7 dust on this stuff. Broccoli I didn't really weed real good because I'll probably end up taking it out of here in the next week or so. Brussels sprouts are all weeded out. I got to 7 dust those. And these are cherry tomatoes. I'll just let them ground grow. There's another one. That's not a cherry tomato. That is a wanting to say that's a Brandywine, but I'm not 100% sure. This garden's taken care of. The lower garden's done. The only thing I got left to do is this small garden, and that is a lot of just hand weeding. It shouldn't take me too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. All it has is onions and the gem corn from Paula Wells. So I'll go ahead and get this weeded out and take a look at that. Okay. Whew, man, is it hot out here. All right, I got everything done. This is all weeded out. Onions are here. Well, there's a few little weeds in here, but them onions need to get bigger before I pull some of those out. Corns, you can see it better now. It's coming up pretty good. So I think I'm gonna call it quits, guys. It's still in the mid 90s, so I think I'm done. I'm gonna go in the air conditioning for a while, but that's the end of this video. Taking care of all the gardens. I'll catch you guys on the next one.